In this video, we will see how to make any object stand out in Canva. Let's get to the task. The first step is to duplicate your image. Next, make the background image black and white. This is the secret step here, because we are going to just have the foreground image with the particular object that we want to colorize as a foreground image, and we'll keep everything else black and white. And next step is to remove the background on your foreground image, which is going to have the colorful object. And then erase the foreground and restore it as needed on the areas that you want to remove or maybe keep it. You can do it just good enough and it will still give you great results. You can zoom in and zoom out and then adjust the size of the brush to have some precision in your adjustments or removal or erasing. And for the bonus part, click the image that has the colorful object that you just created, and then click on this edit image and then click on adjust. Scroll all the way to the bottom where you can control the individual colors, hue, saturation, and then the brightness. Thanks for watching. Keep creating because your success is just around the corner.